Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 29th, 2023, almost end of the month. And we have already solved two puzzles, the 2 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 7006. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. 16. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column. There are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Well, I cannot place. We have here 3 O's. I cannot place the 4th O there. Otherwise, we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have also 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And we have here double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. And one between two ones comes an O. Finished. 4 minutes. Well, without comparing, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. So see you in a minute with that last puzzle for today. Bye bye for now.